Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today I want to discuss about a EEE job related question. The question is that find the value of RL in maximum power transfer condition for the following circuit. This is the circuit. So here the source voltage is 72 volt and there are two voltage divider. One is 6 and 3 ohm, another is 10 and 5 ohm. So we have to uh, find out the value of RL. This is the RL resistance. This is the RL resistance. So to find out the value of RL, we must find out the Thevenin equivalent circuit of this system. So to find the Thevenin voltage, we first remove this RL from here. So at first we must remove this RL from here and then find the voltage between these 2 points V1 and V2. So the difference of V1 and V2 will be the Thevenin voltage for this equivalent circuit. So the Thevenin circuit will looks like that. So here this is the Thevenin equivalent circuit for this network. So here RThevenin can be found by deactivating this voltage source and then find the equivalent resistance between these 2 points. So let's start this math. So first we have to find out the voltage V1 for this voltage divider. So here we can use simply voltage divider rule. So V1 should be V1 is equal to so here you can see that the using voltage divider rule the V1 is equal to 24 volt, and similarly we find that the V2 is also equal to 24 volts. So you can see that there is no voltage difference across this resistance RL. So actually no current will flow through this resistance. So the Thevenin voltage should be 0 volt. And to find the Thevenin resistance, we have to deactivate this independent 72 volt source. So let's remove this voltage source, and we also remove the resistance RL and then find the equivalent resistance across these 2 points. So to find the Thevenin resistance, we have to remove the RL again, and we must deactivate this voltage source. So the circuit looks like that of this. So we should find the equivalent resistance between these 2 points. So the circuit looks like that, and if you use the common formula for resistance series and resistance in parallel, then you will find that the Thevenin equivalent resistance should be 5.33 ohm. So this is the Thevenin equivalent resistance for our circuit. So the Thevenin equivalent circuit is this. So RThevenin is 5.33 ohm and the Thevenin voltage is 0 volt. So you can easily see that whether we use any value of RL, the power through this circuit is always 0. So actually always we use RL is equal to RThevenin for having maximum power transfer, but in this case if you use RThevenin RL is equal to RThevenin or any value of RL, then the power through this resistance will be 0. So in this case we see that RL can be any value. So the answer of this question should be RL can be any value, but the power through this resistance would be 0. So we can say that RL is equal to any value. It will be any value, but and the power should be 0. So thanks for watching my tutorial. If you find any mistake in this video, please comment it below. I shall correct it for later videos. So thanks for watching.